So I want to create a virtual machine. So where do I go if I want to create a virtual machine? Can anybody tell me?
Yeah, we have to go to virtual machine.
Well done. Click on virtual machines here, or I can go to the search. I can type VIR and I can select virtual machines. I'll go ahead and click create, and I'm going to use the top one. We're not going to worry about these two because they're beyond scope. We're going to click the top one, Azure Virtual Machine. Now it's asking me for a resource group. I'm going to click in here and select Sydney Sales. I'm going to give my virtual machine a name. Let's call it SYDVM. Ah, here's the thing. Cannot have a white space. Oh, we've got a space there. So we can either make it one name or I can do that. Now I'm going to get availability zones. We're not going to deploy the virtual machine across the world. So I'm going to click in availability zones. I'm going to say no redundancy required, no infrastructure redundancy required. Then I'm going to scroll down. And if you notice, you're going to get a Linux virtual machine. A Linux virtual machine might be an orange one. That's not Windows. Ubuntu is not Windows. Windows is Microsoft. So I'm going to click in here. I'm going to scroll up or down until I find Microsoft. Ah, I've got Windows Server. I'm just going to select Windows 11. You can select Windows 10 if you've got it in your thing. Then I'm going to scroll down. So again, I'm going to make sure that I've got my virtual machine. I'm going to scroll down. Now I need to give my virtual machine a name. Now this is the name I'm going to use to log on to the virtual machine. So I'm going to call my user AZ admin. I'm going to give my user a password. I'm going to confirm that password. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to confirm I have a license. I'm going to go next on disks. I'm going to scroll all the way down. I'm going to go and when I scroll all the way down, I'm going to accept the defaults. I'll just make this a bit smaller. Then I'm going to go next on networking. I'm going to accept what Azure gives me. We're not making any changes. I'm going to come all the way down. I'm going to go ahead and go. I'll go next on management, next on monitoring. When I get to monitoring, I'm going to disable monitoring because I don't want to do boot diagnostics. I'm going to go next. I'm going to go next on tags and review and create. This is going to go away and do a validation. A validation is going to make sure we've got no errors in our thing. I've got no errors. Woohoo! This passed. Then I can go ahead and click create.